Hey guys, Dr. Barrett. We are concluding shoulder week and we're giving you broad, general tips to help shoulder recovery. For the most part, it's going to help people. Yes, there's still going to probably be pain in a minority group, or maybe even in my majority of you, there still may be discomfort and pain. That's really why we're here, that we want to help you take it a step deeper. Again, we can only give you some general information. And you've been given a lot of exercises and mobilization drills, and you may have bands like this and you do your banded pull aparts and your external internal rotation, and that's all good. But remember, the human body is designed to be stressed and to recover from stress. People talk about stressing the body and training the body, but very, very, very rarely do we talk about recovery. So today, in order for your shoulder to heal, and really in order for your human body, your body to heal, you need to recover. And so I'm going to speak to a recovery piece that you should do every night, every day, as a nice time to decompress. It's the end of the week. We're on Friday. It's time for the weekend. How do we decompress and initiate our innate ability to heal? And this is a simple piece, but it's great to decompress the body, shoulders, spine, diaphragm, and brain. So here's what I do. It's a really nice piece for the low back, all the way up fascially through the diaphragm into the shoulders. Hips are going to come up close to the wall. Feet are straight up. From this position, my low back is on the ground. Arms are overhead. And I am now focusing all of my time, all my attention and intentionality on my breath. And I'm breathing in 6 to 8 seconds in through my lower rib cage and not at the top of my lungs. Lower rib cage, 6, 7, 8 seconds in, and then exhaling 6, 7, 8 seconds out. Okay? So depending upon your capacity, we're here, we're relaxed, and we're breathing. And as we initiate the diaphragm, as we initiate the abdominal breathing, this de-stresses our traps, our shoulders, where we're tight, where we hold stress, and immediately creates relaxation throughout the whole body. This is an important piece. It's the recovery piece. It's the piece that not too many people talk about. But if you want to heal, if you want to recover, and if you want to sleep and get those hormones producing to heal, then you need to recover. And the best way to recover is intentional breathing. So that's the piece for the week. That concludes everything. And we're excited to connect with you guys next week on how to heal even further. See you guys.